everyone, Technomentor with a video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to switch off your iPhone 15 Plus in a few different ways. So let's get started. Now the simple and the easiest way you're going to do is locate the big side button along with either the volume up or volume down button. Now we need to press either the volume up or down button along with this big side button for about a few seconds simultaneously. So you press and hold, and after a few seconds this menu will pop up where you can slide to switch off your iPhone. Now if that didn't work for you and you don't want to use the buttons, another way to do it is by going through your settings, and then from there on, general, scroll down where it says shutdown, click on shutdown, and then you can slide again to switch off. Now third method is if you have Siri turned on, you can say hey Siri, or press and hold until Siri activates here and just simply say hey Siri, switch off my iPhone.
Just to confirm, you want to power off this device?
Yes. And then Siri will ask you to confirm and say yes, and it will switch off your iPhone just like that. Now you might be wondering how to turn it back on. Well, that's quite simple. You can just press and hold onto this big side button this time without the volume up or volume down button, and wait till the Apple logo appears, and then you let go and it will turn on your iPhone. Now if that isn't working for you, another method is connecting to the charger. If it's turned off, it'll automatically turn it back on whenever the phone is turned off and you're looking to charge it. So that's how you switch off and on your iPhone 15 Plus. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please consider the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your iPhone and other iOS devices. We'll see you guys next time.